So hello friends, if you are selling clothes offline and now also trying to sell online by creating Shopify or WooCommerce website, then make sure you watch this video till the end. It's very important. So if you look at different websites online on high-end brands, you see the difference is the photography and videography. You see the same model or different model are wearing a different clothes with the same location or different locations. So what you need to do is you need to have a proper photography with different poses, same models or different models. And you can make it unique by also adding your real store front in the background. And if you are thinking to hire a real model, just leave it because it's gonna be too expensive. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can use AI to generate real photography. So let's get started. Come to the tools website. You will find the link in the description. So on the right side, you can see the sign up button. Click on it and sign up using your Google account. Here you can see a home page of tool, and you can see WeShop provides many features. You can select whichever you want, but we will start with our cloth photography. So in this use case, you will use the same location, same model, different poses and different outfit. The reason is you can see on my screen a website with the same model, different poses, different outfit. It looks really premium and professional. So if you want to make your product look high-end, you have to have this kind of photography. So let's try it. And for this, we have to click on AI model feature. Here you can see many photographic example provided. You can check all of them out. Next, you will also find a user guide video tutorial in the next button, where if you want to learn it, you can check it out. Now we need to try with the new task. We'll go on the left side and click on new task. In the center, there is an upload image box. You can upload your cloth product images here. The number of product images you can upload and the sizes of image is mentioned there. Now, if your image is not properly marked up, you can also click on edit button and mark the missing part. Now, next thing you can see, WeShop has provided many ready-made models. And if you also want to upload your own model, you can also upload through clicking on own model box. Now, if you wish and want to add your own image or some other model's image, then you have to make sure your model photo looks similar or have a similar pose of these pre-selected models. As usual, I'm selecting the ready-made model. So I'm choosing mine and I like this one. So next, we'll choose the AI locations. So you can scroll down and at the bottom, you can find it out the AI locations. Now AI location means you can choose the background of your photograph. You can choose one of those which is provided in the tool, or you can upload your own background. Here you can also select your store's location as well. So in our case, I'm just going to select from ready-made locations and I like this one. Now you can see the description box where you can write what you want in the image, how the model should look like, what you don't want, etc. This is optional. If you want, you can add or you can just skip it. Next is AI pose feature, where you can increase or decrease and see the result. Then select the model realism as per your requirement. You can also adjust the photo composition. In generated type, you can choose image or video. I'll select the image for now. We will see video later. Select the number of images and finally click on generate. In few seconds or minutes, your cloth model photography will be ready. And here is the final result. You can see the same locations, same model, different clothes and different poses. So now onward, I am also doing giveaways. What you need to do is just comment down the tool name and what you like about my videos. I'll select the 3 luckiest winner for each video and give them the premium plans free. So what are you waiting for? Just comment down. So now we did the photography. Now let's get back to our website and see. I like these clothes and I want to check it out from every angle. So I'm just gonna click on that photo, and inside that photo I want to see from different angles. So how are you gonna do it? Again, you're not going to hire a real model and going to do the real photography. We'll use the AI and get the different poses of the same cloth, same model. So let's get started. We go to the V-Shop again, and on the left side, click on change pose. Here you can see many pose change example. So click on new task. In the center, upload your model photography image. Then in the description box, write the kind of pose you want. I already have mine written, so I'll paste it here. If you want the same prompt, comment vshop prompt and also send me the email on support@dolphy.io and I'll send you through email. You can also use the ready-made prompt available here. After that, select the version, choose number of images and finally click on generate. In few minutes, our pose changed image will be ready. So here is the final result with our same cloth from all the different angle, pose and views. Looks really stunning, right?
That's great.
Now we are going to try our second use case where we are going to change the locations. So let's see how to do it. The process is same as before. Upload cloth images. Then you can select your model. Then you click on own location box, upload your location image. You can describe the details if you want. Then you can select the model AI pose, realism, photo compositions, generated types, and last, number of images. Finally click generate, and here you can see the final result. The same location of my store in all the photographs with the different models and different outfits. So now we will try the videography features and create the videos of the same model or the different models and put it on our websites or for our video ads. So let's see how to do it. The process is exactly the same, so I won't repeat it each and every part. So I uploaded my product image, selected the model, locations, described the details and adjusted the pose, realism, composition, and here in generated type selected video instead of image. Then click generate, and within few minutes your product showcase ad video will be ready. Here you can see the final result. So this was about the V-Shop AI, where you can do your clothes photography, videography and do the pose changer. So if you found this video useful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe my channel and share this video with your e-commerce friends. See you in the next one.